First, so hello guys, ndabashimiye mwese mukurikirana inshuti Innovative TV. Uyu munsi turi kumwe n'umusore mwiza cyane. So you are welcome. ELIE, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much. ELIE, where are you from?
I'm from Congo, but I'm from Gikondo.
Oh, Gikondo. Yeah. Of course, for sure. And so we are going to talk about the music. Of course, as you know that. And so you are bass guitarist.
Yeah.
And so, what do you know about the guitarist? So when you playing the guitarist, first, how can you feel when you playing the music like that?
When I play music, it's like, it's like I'm in heaven.
Okay.
It's a heaven for me when I play music, when I play bass. Just I don't think about, just even if I have problems, I just forget about my problem. I forget about